it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do the best Amazon keto food and easy keto. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do the best Amazon keto food along with easy keto. If you love this video, put down in the comments Amazon keto, because I talk a lot in the comments and like to interact with you. Give this video a big old thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe with the notification bell. If you want to see this video, I can put it in a free Amazon printable if that's helpful for you. Can you also put that in the comments below? I've done lots of other keto shopping lists in printable format for ALDI, for Costco. I'm happy to do it for Amazon if that is helpful for you, my friend. Okay, so let's dive into the content. All of these goodies for my best keto Amazon foods and best keto products that I have. First and foremost, I need to give two disclaimers. One, through my 67-pound weight loss journey, the best practice is buying real foods, i.e. getting grass-fed meat if you can, or organic foods. That's obviously the best, but do the best that you can afford. No guilt, shame, condemnation here. Do the best that you can afford. So packaged food is ideally not where we really want to be. We want to be in real food, but you can get that delivered. It doesn't necessarily mean you need to go to the grocery store, but eating real food, not pills, shakes, packages, things, those just don't work, at least in my humble opinion. So I'm going to show you food, but I'm always going to pump back to having real food, and I'm going to pump back, ideally if you can have organic and grass-fed, that's great. Do the best you can afford. Let's dive into my first new favorite product. So I have other Amazon videos just like these. I will link them in the description link below, as I will with all these products. But my most updated one is we are getting soon near rib season. It's February. It's Amazon 2019 haul, but I'm excited for rib season, which is coming up here very soon once we get out of this winter time. But because I love using the Bad Byron's butt rub, I am not sponsored by them, but I love this butt rub. It's lasted us a long time because it's a great seasoning. The ingredients in it are clean. Always do your due diligence though, even though I'm recommending it. The ingredients are clean. You can put this on chicken, you can put it on pork, you can grill things, you can put it on vegetables. It's a great barbecue seasoning that we are incorporating, and I'm still even using it in my skillet this winter for 2019 Amazon to use it. Some people do use Staubs. They're sugar-free. This for me had creepy carbs in it that stalled my weight, so I have punted back to using, and it's really not keto, right? Like, that's not a keto food. The best keto food that you can do is the Bad Byron's because it's a spice. Some of my pit masters out there might have better suggestions, but that's the one that I love for my Amazon keto, and it makes the keto shopping easier just to have it delivered. The next thing that I'm using, that y'all know I have to include this in every single video, is all of my, where's my other water? All of my waters. I get all of my sparkling water delivered to my home. You can do some price comparisons on Pelligrino versus Perrier versus some other things because their prices fluctuate. So sometimes the ideal price that I want to get for a case, which is cheaper than Costco, my Amazon shopping that I do is getting it for $14 a case. And then that is one of the things that, yes, it seems extravagant, but that's one of the things that helps keep me satiated for keto weight loss and for the keto diet. It helps just keep my easy keto going and helps me not go through hunger pains, and I like it. I really legitimately like it. So find a beverage you like coffee, tea, sparkling water, something that will help with intermittent fasting also. Okay, the next thing that I have that you guys may have seen is my Chia Seeds. I love these for my keto oatmeal. I will put that in the description link below. This is super, you can get these at the grocery store, but sometimes I just forget. I'm like, oh, I forgot the Chia Seeds. Oh, I forgot the Chia Seeds. This just makes it easier to have it on my Amazon haul because my keto shopping list, sometimes when I'm at the grocery store, I forget. So that's a great one to have on my Amazon keto shopping list. The next thing that I had that I've mentioned in my, oh, here's this other water size I was talking about too. All different kinds of waters. Next thing that I've had that I've mentioned in my Costco keto grocery shopping haul and my Trader Joe's keto shopping list visits that I've done were two different types of almond butter. While I love this Trader Joe's crunchy almond butter, I'll put it in the description link below. It's good if you want some crunch. I'm starting to love more my Kirkland, which is a Costco brand. I love my keto Kirkland almond butter because the only ingredient in here is almonds, no salt, nothing else added. Even in the Trader Joe's, other ingredients like sea salt have been added. This is just straight up almond butter. See, roasted almonds. So I'm excited about this. I love this. I'm going to put that also in the description link below. People have asked me, how do you eat your almond butter? Straight off the spoon. I'll put it on a tablespoon portion and just literally eat it. I also use it as a dip with celery, which is a low carb, awesome keto snack to have. Or I'm going to be mixing it into my coffee with my frother that I have. Some of y'all have seen my keto bulletproof mix where I make my own. I don't buy like a packaged thing, just make your own with real oils, but I can mix it together with that frother. Speaking of oils, I've done tons of videos on keto products and on the best keto products for oils, you know, because keto is low carb, high fat with moderate protein. Walnut oil, avocado oil, pecan oil, coconut oil. Have you signed up for my free keto weekly meal plan to make this easier for you, that you don't have to think about it and it's free? I'll put that in the description link below too. If you are loving this video, put down in the comments Amazon keto and also give this video a big old thumbs up. Now back to the content. Macadamia oil. I mean, there's so many different types of oils, friend. Different types of oils that you can try. It doesn't have to be grass-fed butter. It doesn't have to be coconut oil. It doesn't have to be MCT oil. It can be all these awesome oils. And those are really, really fun and make it taste, my coffee, when I put these in here, it tastes different, which makes it more fun, right? And I put it in my tea as well. I always get questions about keto sweets and having keto food that is very sweet and things like that. And for me, they cause weight loss stalls. So, and it triggers me also to eat more. And on my 67-pound weight loss journey, I'm really, really trying to stay away from anything that's like an additive type thing. But here's a couple of the things that I do love, because I do obviously occasionally have sweets. I make my own keto cupcakes. I will put that down in the description link below too. But I am loving, I just got these in the mail because I love them. Thank you, keto bars. They're awesome. The ingredients are really clean. It's a great keto product. I don't think they're on Amazon, but I'll put the affiliate link below because you can get, I believe, a discount with my code. But my favorite is the mint, but I also, like, I love them all. Like, that's my absolute favorite, but I absolutely love them all. There's a dark chocolate one. There's one that is like a Reese's bar, and people are like, peanuts aren't keto. I understand that. I got it. Peanuts are legumes. I got it. But as a low carb snack, these are just awesome, and I love the company because the ingredients are clean. If that is not a choice for you, because I don't think they're on Amazon, keto bars, correct me if I'm wrong, if you guys are on Amazon, but I like ordering off of their website because you can order like a box full of that, and it's cheaper that way. You can have these sugar-free products, for example, but these for me cause weight loss stalls. I used to have these a lot. They gave me indigestion issues, and it just wasn't worth it. So like the keto bars don't make my stomach hurt. These type of sugar-free things do. And so for my Amazon keto haul, I'd rather just get different types of stuff. The next thing that I am loving is my pork panko crumbs. They're pork rinds. And you can put them with fried chicken, you can put it with fried pork chops. You can do a lot of real keto food. I love these. Love, 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 love. Love, love. You can put those in the description link below for you. But if you don't want that, you could literally, like a substitute for that is you could go, as you can see from the grocery store, get a thing of pork rinds, mash them up with a hammer, and then make that. But these have in the ingredients, it is, where's my ingredients? Pork skin and salt. These are for the ingredients, pork rinds and salt. Kind of just, these are mashed. These are cool though. Panko's cool. I like them. I like this brand. I like it. The next thing that I have that I love in terms of real keto food, y'all have seen me talk about my keto bagels and my keto pizza crust. I am trying to limit more so my almond flour. Again, this is Kirkland. You can get it from Costco. I also got it off of Amazon. They also have on Amazon the Red Bob's almond flour, which is great. I love, not Red Bob's, Bob's Red Mill. They do have coconut flour, which is great for baking type things, if that's showing up with the light. And there's also for baking the swerve sugar. People will ask me about sugars. Y'all, I really, for my keto weight loss, I've tried so hard to get away from sugary, even keto approved products, because they cause massive weight loss stalls for me. For me, my body just doesn't react well to them. I do have this, of course, for like my keto cupcakes and other options, but just as a warning, if you're having a weight loss stall, it might be the keto sugars, you're having too much of it, and it's something to look at. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. That was my personal experience. Everybody's experience different, so their own self be true. The next thing that I have is making my own spices. I've done tons of videos about my taco seasoning. You can get these huge, so you can see the Amazon label on there, these huge spices. This is my cumin. It's pretty much gone. I'm gonna need to get some more soon. I like ordering these big ones, these big Mama Jammos, because then I don't have to worry about getting it, and I simply just use it in my taco seasoning, which is homemade. I'll put that in the description link below. This is a time saver, and it's part of my little boy's chores. Plus he gets to see how you really cook, like not packaged food. It's real food of making the spices and mixing them together, which is fun. The next thing that I have, we've talked about, is tomato sauce. I've talked about this in so many videos. I would encourage you, make your own Alfredo sauce if you can. I've done other videos on that because it's easy. It's like 4 ingredients, and I'm the Sesame Street chef. If I can make it, you can make it. But if you need a tomato sauce, this is actually Aldi. This was $1. I used to order the Amazon one, which was $2 or $3 for a jar. This has less carbs, less sugar, less ingredients. It's from Aldi. Sorry, Amazon, I still love you. But for my best keto shopping list item, I get this at Aldi. And you can check, Walmart also has a good one. I'm forgetting the name of the brand on that. But this one is the Happy Harvest tomato sauce. It's $1 at Aldi. I don't include my tomato sauce in my Amazon keto order anymore. Okay, these are also added into my Amazon keto list. I am loving Maria Emmerich. Totally, totally love her. So the easy dairy-free ketogenic recipes, I've talked about going no dairy, comfort foods, keto, the complete guide. This is kind of like a beginner's, it's a simplified science about it. InstantPot! And then keto restaurant favorites. I will link these all in the description link below. I am so excited to start utilizing these amazing recipes. These just look awesome. And I love Maria because she's so down to earth. Like, she is a Renaissance Barbie. I love her. She's awesome. So check these books out also in my Amazon keto list too. For losing weight on keto, I have to manage my nuts because I will overeat them. I totally will binge eat out, even on keto foods, if I don't measure them. So nuts are 1/4 a cup, and so you can do ideally walnuts, pecans, or I love macadamia nuts. These are from Aldi. These are only $8 for the bag. Amazon has one that's almost $30. It's a way bigger bag. The pieces are way bigger, and I have literally taste tested pretty much every single macadamia nut. If you own a macadamia nut, send me some and I'll taste test them, but I know my nuts, and the macadamia nuts from Amazon are the best. They're the cheapest and they're the best, and don't tell me that Costco's are cheaper, because they may be a little bit cheaper, but the pieces are little like these Aldi ones. The Amazon ones are big nuts. I like my big nuts, and I cannot lie. So these are great. They're from Aldi. These were $8, but the Amazon one that's almost $30 will last the entire month, at least in our family. Measure them out in 1/4 a cup baggies. Have your little baggies out like a little drug dealer. Measure out your nuts, or put them in glass containers. I did include in here almonds. You can get those because you technically could make your own almond butter out of the almonds just by putting them in a food processor. This could save you a lot of money. I am just like the Sesame Street chef, so I buy my Kirkland brand one or the Trader Joe's one on Amazon because there's no schlepping. And then they do have these. If you want to get nuts on Amazon, pecans, walnuts, macadamia nuts, those are the lowest carb ones. And other people have other, the Brazilian nuts are also, I haven't done a whole nut video. I'll put that down in the description link below. I also have my unsweetened shredded nut coconut. You can get this at, I think, Walmart. For sure you can get it at Target, but again, the schlepping factor, and sometimes I forget. I'm like, oh, I forgot it. Ordering this off of Amazon makes life easier. Just make sure it's the, I like the Let's Do Organic Unsweetened, make sure it's unsweetened, shredded coconut. And they have flakes and chips. Flakes are like dust, and chips are like flakes. The verbiage on them is kind of weird with that, if that makes sense. Next is the Primal mayonnaise. Y'all ask me all the time about my mayonnaise. I love me my Dukes. Pick your poison. Dukes has added no added sugar, but it's made out of soybean oil, which is inflammatory. Excuse me. Primal is the only mayonnaise that is like totally, totally clean, at least of the filming of this Amazon Keto video 2019. This is this one, it happens to be their Chipotle lime. They have other flavors. So if you want this, it's kind of pricey though. It's like $10 or something. And I dropped one of them, if you saw in one of my lazy keto eating videos. I dropped it and the glass broke. It was like my $10 jar. I just opened it. So Primal mayonnaise is the cleanest ingredients. I also have on here the coconut milk. You can get this at Walmart. You can get it at any grocery store. But again, the no schlepping factor. If you want to use these for some of my Indian keto dishes I have, this is a great thing to have just on your shelf. You can mix it in smoothies if you want. You can do a lot of diversified things with your almond, with your coconut milk. The next excuse me, thing I have is this. I'm gonna get some flack for this, but y'all, I'm keeping it real. On my keto weight loss, I'm losing weight on keto. I have to keep it, I have to do me. You do you, I'm gonna do me. But here I've included on my list, I know I'm gonna get flack for this, but it's my Trader Joe's organic ketchup. This is more of a low carb product than a Amazon keto product or the best keto product. It's a low carb product because the ingredients in it have organic sugar as the second ingredient. It's total carbohydrates for 1 tablespoon or 3 carbohydrates, 0 fiber, so it's also 3 net carbs, and 2 grams of sugar. It's kind of a lot. Yeah, that's kind of a lot, but I use this in my meatloaf. I use this in other things. I like, though, let me explain myself. Let me explain. I like the ingredients in them. The ingredients are really good. I don't know if that's going to show up, but if you click on the Amazon link, it'll show you the ingredients on them. I like it. I like it. And there's other ketchups out there. I don't like their ingredients as much as I like the Trader Joe's one. So I'm gonna get flack on that. It's a low carb product, but it's not a keto product because it does have added sugars, and added sugars are not really, like, this is not a keto approved one. But I'm gonna say I like this. I like it. I like it. To each their own. The next that I have, what's my next? The next that I have, I put on here, but again, let me explain. I put my wisps for my keto snacks. This is another great Amazon keto product and a keto food that I like as a keto snack is wisps. You can get these again at Walmart, Target. It's the no schlepping factor. They have tons of different flavors. This is the bacon barbecue one. I like to preface this with make your own. Literally shred your cheese, or you can use shredded cheese, but shredded cheese does have additives. It may cause weight loss stalls on the keto. When we're losing weight on keto, you might not want to have that. I like having these just to kind of grab, but literally make your own ones. You take, and I've done tons of videos on it. I will link below my keto snack video that I have. You just literally take shredded cheese, put it on parchment paper, and bake them on the broiler for like 2 minutes. You have your own wisps. You can dip that with guacamole. You can dip it with my awesome garlic dip that I have. It's so good. You can do a lot of things, but if you want something that's a quick keto snack, these wisps are also on my products, as is the parchment paper. There's a particular brand, it's the Reynolds fold out cooking sheet parchment paper. I highly recommend that versus the rolls. The rolls I find almost catch on fire in my oven, they cause problems, and when I'm doing my cheese crisps, I use the Reynolds. I'm not sponsored by them, I should be because I love their thing. It's the foldable cookie sheet size, so it literally fits the size of your pan, and you're not messing with a roll. It's just a pain in the butt to roll the parchment paper. So get the Reynolds cookie size, and I'll put that in the description link below. So if you're loving this video, put down below Amazon Keto. Also give this video a big old thumbs up, and make sure you click subscribe, click the notification bell. Are you on my free keto weekly meal plan email I send out every week? Have you gotten your free Costco shopping list? Have you gotten your free ALDI shopping list? I will put those all in the description link below too. They're my gift to the Countess community. And if you need extra support, we do have the Royal Court group coaching weight loss program as my keto magnets too for meal planning. If you need like that extra boost on top of my free stuff, I give away tons of free stuff here. And I typically put out 4 videos per week with 1-day break, and then another 4 with 1-day break. We do lots of content here with all things keto, intermittent fasting, and weight loss. See you again soon. Bye.